So today is wedding day. This is the corn salad. And this is the baba ganoush salad. And fattoush. And Thai beef salad. This is the Thai beef salad. Okay. And this is the fattoush. Like Arabic salad. And this is the special hummus. Okay. So what's up? This is hummus. And this is the Arabic bread. Hummus, Arabic bread. And this is the main course. This is chicken biryani. Chicken biryani. And this is the fish. Grilled fish with lemon butter sauce. And this is the saute habar. This is habar in Arabic. Pusit in Tagalog. This is chicken. Grilled chicken, Turkey style. And this is for the Imani food. This is haris. Chicken haris torsha. Yeah, this is the sauce. Torsha sauce. And this is haris sauce. Yeah, haris. Arabic food. And this is the vegetable macaroni bechamel. This is the bechamel. Potato saute. This is very nice potato. And mixed boiled vegetable. Yeah, carrots, broccoli. And this is the special money food. Yes. And for special occasion. Okay, this one. This is the uzi with kabuli rice with nuts and mashed. And we go here in the sweet station. Yeah. Watermelon. And this is one sweet. Yeah. Parang lechep lang sa atin to. Fruit salad. Cheese kunafa. This is very nice. This kunafa. And watermelon. Mixed fruits. And this one is umali. This is umali. Arabic food. It's very nice food. Yeah. Okay. Only that one. And this is for the wedding.